Welcome to the regular broadcast of the NOVA Airmada channel into the histories of 1/400 scale model aircraft. Today we cover the lifetime career of the 1/400 scale NG models Air Greenland Airbus A330-223 wearing the Air Greenland all-red fuselage livery from the 2000s era. NG models produced this aircraft in 2023. This aircraft was powered by two Pratt Whitney PW4000 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 71,100 pounds force or 316 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 406 passengers and a maximum all-economy layout. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 470 knots or 871 kilometers an hour, with a range of about 7,200 nautical miles or about 13,500 kilometers with a standard payload. As a note for collectors, multiple manufacturers have produced the same aircraft from all the way up to 1/200 scale all the way down to 1/400 scale over the years. Dragon Wings produced a 1/400 scale model of the Sabena version of this aircraft. Originally, this A330-200 was delivered to Sabena on September 16, 1998, with the registration of OO-SPF on the fuselage. The initial livery, as seen in this photo, was the faded Sabena title along the fuselage, billboard style, with Sabena's logo on the tail. There were also titles near the rear of the fuselage that said, "Flying Together with Swiss Air," to show that Sabena at this point in its history was managed by Swiss Air. Sabena would cease operations in late 2001, placing this aircraft into storage until a new operator was found. That new operator would arrive in 2002 with the acquisition of this aircraft by Air Greenland. The aircraft would receive a bright red paint job all over the aircraft and winglets and a new registration of OY-GRN. Also, the aircraft would be named Norsaq while with Air Greenland. This aircraft received modifications to its operating systems to handle the severe cold weather found in Greenland during the winter months. Mostly, this aircraft was used for flights between Greenland and the capital of Denmark, Copenhagen, but flew elsewhere on occasion in Europe. The aircraft would fly for just over 20 years with Air Greenland until placed into storage in March of 2023 at the Marina Penal Air Park in Arizona in the United States southwestern desert. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've had making it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.